Do any of you nature buffs know what bird that is? Anyway, I'm getting back to doing my compost. Thanks. Have a great day.